Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. We have Bryce Savage, or Sauvage, like the Frenchman would say. Anyway, this is the same person as Netflix, so if you're a fan of Netflix, probably Bryce as well. Great songs, and yes, let's go into this one. Eyes Like Woah. That's the title of the song, and cool lyrics as well. She smiles and steals the show. I'm not, but she is probably the one Bryce is singing about. Anyway, let's go into this one. We had Cape on third. That's absolutely the best scenario. We have 4 chords and rolls in the same way through the entire song. A lot of scenario. Before we move on with that song, just check out this cool guitar. It's from Anchor Guitars, okay? So if you want to have one of these, then go into their website, Anchor Guitars, and use my coupon code GordonGuitar10. Get 10% off from an already great price, like $250 or so, with 10% off, even better. And this is what you get, a great guitar. So check that one out now. Eyes Like Woah. 4 chords. We have D, A, B minor, and G. So let's start with the 4 chords there. We're gonna start with D, open D, second G, third B, and second E. From that, you're gonna go to A, open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. B minor next, it's a bar chord. So you place the index finger on the second fret, you push down 5 strings if you count from bottom, and like this. So all strings except from that last E string in the bass. Then you need to add 4th fret on D string, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And the final chord will be the G, and that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so that's the order of it. D, A, B minor, and G. Now, let's go into the string pattern. So, if you grab the first chord D, one round goes like this. Okay, so you're going to start with this down, up, clap, down. So, down, up, clap, down. You have one down, a short little delay or pause there, and then up, clap, down. So, down, up, clap, down. And then comes a short pause as well. And then you're going to finish off with down, clap, down. And that's it. So if you connect these 2 parts, it will be down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. But it's a little bit boring to just stay on that D, and it's wrong as well. So let's move on. You're going to play one of these string rounds per chord. So D1, A1, B minor 1, G1, and that just keeps rolling through the entire song. Let's do a run around together. I chose to play just 1 round. I kept on for 2 rounds because it's easy and it's good, sounds good. So yeah, there you have it, guys. Bryce Savage, Eyes Like Woah. Hope to see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.